Hi, in this video we will discuss how ACE inhibitors produce dry cough. First of all, let us see what is ACE inhibitors. Drugs like naloxone, lisinopril, captopril and fosinopril belongs to a class of ACE inhibitors. We can easily observe all these drugs ending with common suffix "pril". They are recommended as first-line treatment of hypertension in patients with a variety of compelling indications including coronary artery disease, history of diabetes, stroke, heart failure, myocardial infarction, and chronic kidney diseases. Secondly, we will see how these drugs act and how these are related to the dry cough. In normal condition, the renin-angiotensin system is activated by sudden drops of blood pressure in our body. An enzyme such as angiotensin converting enzyme in renin-angiotensin system is responsible for the conversion of angiotensin 1 to the angiotensin 2. This angiotensin 2 is a potent vasoconstrictor that increases blood pressure. Along with blood pressure, it is also cause sodium reabsorption, water reabsorption, as well as hypertrophy of few vascular smooth muscles. At the same time, ACE enzymes converts bradykinin to its inactive metabolites. Now, ACE inhibitors drugs inhibit the action of ACE enzyme, thereby inhibit the conversion of angiotensin 1 to the angiotensin 2. But at the same time, bradykinin is not converted to its inactive metabolites. This bradykinin causes contraction of non-muscular bronchial smooth muscle as well as stimulation of C irritant fibers within the respiratory tract, leading to the symptoms like dry cough. So ACE inhibitors, when used for long duration, they produce dry cough because of the accumulation of bradykinin in our body. This type of dry cough occur more frequently in women than men. Is there any alternative? ACE inhibitors produce dry cough, but related ARB, which is angiotensin 2 type 1 receptor blocker, does not produce dry cough because these drugs do not act on ACE enzyme and they directly block angiotensin 2 type 1 receptor. Due to the inactivation of this receptor, there is decreasing the activation of AT1 receptor by angiotensin 2. So drugs like olmesartan, telmisartan, losartan, valsartan, and irbesartan are a few alternative drugs in patients who do not tolerate ACE inhibitors due to the complaining of dry cough.